Hi, I'm Dame Emma. Welcome to Dame Emma's School of Adulting. Today's topic is
cleaning your microwave. Start by filling a bucket with soap and warm water. Using a wet washcloth, wipe down the exterior of the microwave. Never use harsh chemicals when cleaning your microwave. Dish soap is enough. When cleaning the interior, take out the turn plate, soak it in your bucket. Continue to clean as you did on the outside. Be careful to get into corners and crevices. Finally, wipe down your turntable, dry it, and place it back on the track.
Now you are ready to start adulting.